take a good look at the water. Now, can you guess how old it is?
The water in your glass may have fallen from the sky like rain just last week, but the water itself has been around pretty much as long as the earth has.
And you thought your parents were old.
Evaporation.
Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in rivers, lakes, or the ocean and turns it into vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the river, lake, or ocean and goes into the air. Do plants sweat?
Well, sort of. People perspire and plants transpire. Transpiration is the process by which plants lose water out of their leaves. Transpiration gives evaporation a bit of a hand in getting the water vapor back up into the air. Condensation.
Water vapor in the air gets cold and changes back into liquid, forming clouds. This is called condensation.
Here's a short clip showing an example of condensation.
Just as a liquid such as water can change into a gas can change into a liquid. Heating the water in this kettle turns it into water vapor. But if the water vapor hits something cold, like this ladle, it cools and becomes liquid again. This is called condensation. Condensation is the process that occurs when a gas changes to a liquid. The same thing happens in the air around us. When water vapor hits cold air high up in the sky, it cools and condenses around little specks of dust and forms tiny droplets in clouds. When the droplets come together to form bigger droplets, it rains.
Precipitation. Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the air cannot hold it anymore. The clouds get heavy and water falls back into the earth, the form of rain, hail, sleet, or snow.
Collection. When water falls back to earth as precipitation, it may fall back in the ocean, lakes, or rivers, or it may end up on land. When it ends up on land, it will either soak into the earth and become part of the groundwater that plants and animals use to drink, or it may run over the soil and collect in the ocean, lakes, or rivers, where the cycle starts all over again.
Water cycle.
Water cycle. Water is very important to all of us, as all living things depend on clean supply of water. As we know, water covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface. The heat energy from the sun causes some of the water to evaporate from the surface of oceans, lakes, and rivers, and from plants as well. When water evaporates, it changes from liquid to gas. This water vapor rises and cools, and then condenses back into water to form clouds. When water molecules in clouds collect into big enough drops, they fall as rain or snow, depending on the temperature. This runs into rivers and lakes and can sometimes soak into underground layers of rock. Eventually, the water returns to the oceans to complete the cycle. Let's see the water cycle. First, we see the rain on the left, and on the right, we see the formation of clouds by the process of evaporation. This process of constant cycling of water from land to air and back again is called water cycle. It's been going on for billions of years.
fall.